Good day everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to model this cool looking building with circular facade in Revit. Okay, so before we go straight to the tutorial, I would like to ask to everyone, if you like this kind of content, please consider to like, share, or subscribe. So it's helped me out a lot, especially everyone updated once I make a video tutorial in this channel. Okay, so first thing I will do is to open a new project into this building design. Okay, so now here I am in the project template. So I set this into units of millimeter. Okay, so now first thing I will do here is to set the reference plane RP for the shortcut. Okay, and I rename it this one and this is 2. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is to set now the building shape. Okay, I use this massing inside. Okay, in place mass, I can rename it, or you can rename it. Okay, and I just simply draw a circle here that the radius of 14 meters only. Okay, and now I just simply go into 3D. I just simply change it into Pine and wireframe. Select this. Okay, create form, solid form. I just choose into my left corner because you have two options here. Okay, I just simply set for now this is 10 meter, and I just simply minimize the ceiling level, and I just simply go into this south elevation. Hit finish first and select this level, and you can add it, create similar. Okay, right click your mouse, create similar, use the pick line and set this by typing the 4M. Okay, and now you can use the pick line, and I just prepared this into 5 level only. Okay, so I'll simply select this and attach it now in this corner or level. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is to select this. Okay, double click it. Okay, and now I just simply draw a spline here. Okay, so now I just use the reference plane one. Okay, and now I just simply draw a void the design to this part. Okay, you can play it around to the shape of the void if you want. Okay, you can control it all the by using this, and now you cannot go directly to close it to this spline. Okay, because you facing a problem once you directly to close it there. Okay, to do that one, okay, you can change it into start and radius arc. Okay, and I simply select this and select this one, and I just simply close it like that. Okay, so now you can change it into fine and realistic. Okay, or wireframe, or you can select it this by double clicking it, and you can play it this by selecting this divide path. Okay, or control. So you can play it like this. Okay, once you want to more shape, okay, you can play it like that. Okay, so you got the point already. Okay, so I just want to go into 3D. Okay, and select this and create form, solid form. Okay, for now, I just leave it as like this. Okay, if you select this, okay, select it all, hit the tab, select all of this. Here in the properties, you can change it also here into void. Okay, and now you can use the copy. Okay, just in case you accidentally delete it this. Okay, you can use only the paste it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is to go outside. Okay, and now I just simply go into massing inside. Okay, curtain system. Okay, I just go here in the properties, edit or duplicate it this, okay? And now I just simply set this spacing into, I think, only 250, and this grid 2 is none. And for now, this grid boolean is none, okay? And I just simply select this one and create system, okay? Okay, so now I just simply change it into realistic, so we see properly the mass, okay? So that is the shape for now, okay? So now what I'm going to do next here is to create a floor, okay? So by double clicking this mass, okay? So now hit the tab, okay, to select this one, and DE for the shortcut, and now I just go into finish. Now I can simply select it, this one, mass floor, okay? I just simply hold the control and shift, select and release the control and shift, select this box or check this box, and now you have already a floor here, okay? So now what I'm going to do next is to create the thickness of the floor. So to do that one, you can go here into the floor and you can select it or like this and create a floor. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is to create one mask again here. Okay, so to do that one, I just want to create a separate mask. Okay, so to avoid the confusion to modeling this one. Okay, and I just go into level 1, okay? And now I just go again into in place mask, okay? Mask 2, and now I just use again this circle, and I just simply snap it up to here. Now I just simply set this into 13,000, I think 400, okay? You can 13.5 or 4M, okay? And now I just simply go again into 3D. Okay, I can select it this and create from solid form again. There is an option here. I just choose always the left one option. And I just simply attach here the same level like that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is to hit finish. Go outside the mask and you can select it now this, and I just simply DE for the shortcut to delete it, that one, okay? So you have already the mask inside, okay? I just want to, this floor is overlapping in this shape of the building, okay? So now what I'm going to do next is to create the roofing of this building, okay? So to do that one, okay, I just simply go into inside, or I can do it separate mask. Okay, it's better I will go into separate mask. So we have 3 masks here in this project. Okay, so I just simply go into south. Okay, so now you can use the filter here by selecting all of this, check none. Okay, check none. Okay, you can choose only whatever you want here. So you don't need this curtain system. Okay, you don't need also the floors, the label you need, only the mask or reference plane you need, that one, level you need, and the mask apply. Okay, and now you can go here in the eyeglass icon and hide that selected one. Okay, so it's better this one, and you can drag it all the way up this, and now I just simply draw a shape of roofing shape of this project. Okay, so to do that one, I just simply go into the massing inside. Okay, in place mask 1. okay? And you can rename it into roof if you want, okay? And now I just simply use this line here, okay? Now I just always use the reference plane one, okay? I just simply draw a line here up to, I think this is better. This is only 6,100, and I just simply use this arc or start and arc radius, and I just simply draw some shape here, okay? And now I just simply close it, this one up to here, reference line, okay? And I just simply hold the control shift into my keyboard, okay? Select these two and create form. Oops, sorry. Make sure that you select it all like this, okay? Not only one, okay? You can select it all like this. Create form, solid form, okay? So now you can go into 3D, okay? You can select it by holding the control shift and divide surface, of course, okay? So you will almost get the shape of the building, okay? So now what I'm going to do next is keep it inside the mask, okay? You can go into File, New, okay, Family. Okay, now I just go into family template and I always use the English. Okay, now I just use this metric curtain pattern beige. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next here is to select this. Okay, or it's better we place a point element here and you can use the set. Okay, and now I just simply draw a circle here. Oops, circle. Okay. And now I simply hold the control shift, select this, create form, solid form, automatically extrude into the path. Okay, and I just simply hit the tab, select this one, okay, create material, okay, material one, hit okay, and now you can change it into file and wireframe. You can select only the reference line, okay, and now you can go into create form, solid form, and you can select this in your right one option and you can set this into, I think 180 is enough here. And now you can create, if you go here, you can create this new to associate, add associate parameter. Okay, now I just prepared this into material 2. Okay. And now hit finish. In order to change the material, you can go here into the family types. Okay, now you see the 1 and 2. Okay, you can change it now. This 1 is the circular base. Okay, you can create new material. Okay, rename it. I just rename it only to, let's say that is the metal. Okay, empty. Okay, appearance. And now go to appearance also. And now I just choose the metal. Okay, and I just choose this ordinary aluminum head linear. Okay, I just choose this one. Any of the material you want, you can apply it into your project. Okay, and now I just simply set this also into the glass. I think I just simply duplicate it this and GL. Okay, just for shortcut. And now go again into appearance and now just the glass. Okay, glazing. Now I just want to set this into, I think, light blue reflective. Okay, and hit OK, apply OK, and now I can load it into my project. Okay, but before that, you need to save it that one. So for me, I just simply go directly load it into the project. and I can save it later. Okay. And now I just simply select by holding the Control Shift this and change it into family created one. Okay. So you can select that one and automatically that one is applied there. Okay. So we have already this roofing. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is to go to hit finish. Okay. So now what I'm going to do next is to set now this exterior wall of this building. Okay. So to do that one, I just simply select it this. If you see there is an arrow, you can drag it all the way down this one. Okay. You can play it like that. Okay. So if you see, it's already adjusted up to the bottom. Okay. That one. So now what I'm going to do next is to select one floor here, okay, by use the copy and paste align selected level 5, okay. So just only to close out that one, and I can use it also the roof if I want, but for me just keep it like that, okay, just for reflection only of this roof, okay. But totally this is open. I want this is open. I just simply, if you want to add more level, you can do it like that. Okay, by copy the bottom floors and you can paste it into the uh, roof floor. Okay. So now what I'm going to do next is to go into massing inside. Okay, I just simply use the wall and I just simply select or edit type first here, and now I just simply set this into 250. Okay, and I just want to change the material. Okay, I just simply type it into white here. Okay, so I just want to select this gypsum wall, just only white. Okay, and now I simply select it this. Okay, so this is the one already in this part, and in this front. Okay, I just simply go again into the architecture wall or WA for the shortcut. Okay, and I just simply prepare this into storefront, edit type. Okay, and now I simply select this pick and I simply select the pick again. Okay, so now you have already here. Okay, you have already close design to your building. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is to go into the very important design it to this building. Okay, so that is the facade. Okay, so to do that one, I just simply go here into the massing inside curtain system. Okay, and in edit type, you can see already setted into the beginning. Okay, I just simply set the one part of the curtain system. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next here in the project browser, you can drag it all the way down like this. And here in the families, you can select the plus sign and now you can scroll it down and you can see the curtain wall mullion. And I just prepared this rectangular mullion. I just want to duplicate this. Okay, duplicate it. And let's say this is facade mullion. Okay. And if you double click this, you can see this option here. Okay. So now I just want to change it this into wood. Okay. Create new material. Okay. You can rename it this. Okay. Wood. Now go again into appearance. And now I just simply go into asset browser. I just simply scroll it down. Wood. Okay, panels. And I just want to choose okay. This board is okay. And now I just simply change this into the thickness of, I think, 1,200 because I reduce the building radius, okay, of 1,500, okay, divided by 2, okay, or 1,200 divided by 2, so 13,600, okay. And now I just simply change this into 50 as the width on side, okay. I just simply change it both like this. And now if I go into cartoon system and go into edit type, and if I scroll it down this, I just change into grid 1 volume. I just choose the prepared one, and I just simply apply. Boom. And okay. So now we have already a building, cool looking building design that or with wood facade in Revit. Okay. I just want to clear it first, this one. Okay. If you see now this base exterior of the building is attached edge to the mullion. Okay? So that is the reason why we divide it by 2, this uh, radius of the building. Okay? Because if I fix into the 14 meters, I will eat all this up to the middle of the wood facade. Okay? So that is the tips and tricks to that one. Okay? So this is already the shape that we model today. Okay, so I hope that everyone can follow the easy steps that I did into this project. And if you like this kind of content, please consider to like, share, or subscribe to help this channel. Okay, so now we go into the final step of this building. Okay, building shape. Okay, so to do that one, I just want to show it to each and everyone how to render in the basic render once you finish to model it, your project, okay? So to do that one, I just want to hide all the mask of this one by selecting this show mask here, okay? Make sure that all the mask is already, okay? So not yet hide, okay? BG for the shortcut, okay? You can scroll it down here, uncheck the mask, okay, apply and hit okay. So now you can delete it for temporary this to verify that no mask here, and you can use the filter if you want. Okay, so now this is already ready for the basic render. So now what I'm going to do is go into the site portion. Okay, I just simply use the camera here, okay, and I just simply snap in that part, okay? And I just simply reduce it all this to prepared into my render, okay? So now what I'm going to do next is to command RR. I just want to set the render here, okay? I just simply use the medium, okay? Here printer, okay? And now this is 300. I just simply set it into basic, okay? Adjust exposure, okay? I just set this into 6,000, and I just simply set the saturation of 2 and the shadow is 1. Okay? Or 0.10. Apply. Okay. And now before I render this, okay, I just simply make it a render like that. And I just simply stop it. Okay? Yes. And now I just simply close it this like this. Okay? But if you command RR, automatically the setup is default to this render. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to go into 3D. Okay, And in this portion, okay, in this part, I just want to select by hitting the tab here, okay, and I just simply unlock it this, okay. If I want this to, no problem, okay, I just simply unlock it this, okay, and I just go into architecture insert, okay. I just use the insert and load into your RBT, okay, and now I just go into libraries, okay, US metric, so that is the millimeter, and now I just simply choose the door here, okay. So there is a door here. You can select it by double clicking this, and I just want to use the storefront here, that the default one, okay. I just simply load it into the project. So just wait for seconds. So once you already load it, that one, you can hit the tab, okay, to select the unlock one, and you can change it if you want to create a door to your project, okay, by selecting this. So you have already a door here, okay. And now if you want to delete this mullion, you can lock it or unlock it, that one, hit the tab, okay, by selecting this DE or the shortcut, or, and also this one, you can select and unlock it. You can place it a door also if you want. And now you can delete it if you don't want, okay. If you want only this one, and you can modify it the width of the storefront, okay, by go into the project browser, and you can change it. So that is the procedure how to create the door into the storefront. Okay, so now we proceed to the final step of this tutorial. Okay, so that is the rendering. Okay, so I just go here into the 3D, and I just go into 3D1 and RR for the shortcut, and I just simply render it. So just wait, we just wait only for a few minutes to get the output of this project. Anyway, while we are waiting to the final output of this basic rendering, I just want to say thank you to all of my viewers and subscribers, to all of your support, especially to the newcomers to this channel. I just want to say thank you to all of you. I hope that you are always supporting this channel, and you can share the video tutorial that I made every day. I'm glad to inform to each and every one of you that this channel is already monetized because to all of you. Thank you very, very much to support to this channel. So this is already the final output of this project. I hope that everyone can follow the easy step what I did to this tutorial, and thank you for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye bye, and God bless you all.